Hi guys, welcome back to Vlog Media, and this is me again, Mark. And for today we're going to do a review on a microphone that I bought in Amazon quite recently. And I think because I bought this because I have my own dedicated microphone for my camera, but I need to have my own dedicated microphone for the laptop MacBook. Although the MacBook is really quite good, but I just felt I just need to buy something as a streamer or a YouTuber. So here it is. So I got it here. It just arrived yesterday. I got this Fifine A6T, and it's an RGB light, which is kind of interesting. Let's see the unboxing quite shortly. Alright, let's now go to unboxing of this Fifine A6T. So yep, upon opening the box, so the box kind of quite good. And yeah, so we stumbled upon the microphone itself, which is the mic. It's kind of light though. It's very light. It's it's very made of plastic, and it's much lighter than I thought. So flipping back the components, we can see there's the clamp over there, and this is the cord we have here. Yep. Now we also have the pop filter that comes with the package. It has its logo on it, the smiley logo of Fifine. And then we have the clamp, so that we can actually put or attach it to the boom at the side of the table. So, and we have the instruction manual here. And lastly, we have the boom arm of the microphone. So upon closer inspection, the shock mount is made of plastic, and there are some kind of rubber bands attached to it. Yep. And that's the pop filter, and it attaches to one of the latches in the shock mount. So assembly is very straightforward. You have to put the clamp at the side of the table, fasten it, and at the end of the boom arm, you need to attach it on the clamp. So there's a fastener behind the clamp, so it will be more secured when you place it. And finally, the shock mount attaches to the end of the boom arm. Now that we have already set up the microphone at the edge of the table, and we're going to try to extend it here, over here. So this is the microphone, and yeah, it's quite plasticky. It's very light, and there's a button over here which you tap it will turn on the RGB. There you go. So it has very nice and cool RGB lighting. Well, yeah, I kind of like it though, but of course if you're gonna control the lighting, it might not be that good because it's the only one that's lighting up. But I think it's kind of cool for YouTubers and streamers alike. And also at the bottom here, actually, you can see the bottom here. There's actually a knob that you can turn on the volume. So yeah, so I think the boom stand is pretty stable and good. And I just find that it's a bit plasticky though. It's kind of flimsy in a little bit, but it's very light. I'm not expecting it to be this light. It's made of plastic, and I just hope it lasts for quite a long time. So, to check the quality of the microphone that I bought, so I tried to compare them using the MacBook Air's microphone, which is kind of I'm using right now. Yep, this is the microphone, MacBook Air's quality in the microphone, and I'm gonna switch it to the Fifine right about just now. So I'm now using the Fifine microphone, and yes. Let me know in the comments below if you notice any difference in the quality of the microphone. I'm using the Fifine microphone right now. So testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna shift back to the MacBook. Okay, I'm using the MacBook right now, and it changed in quality. Yep, testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna shift back to Fifine. And now going back to Fifine, testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. So if you like this video, please don't forget to click that like button and comment, and don't forget to subscribe and share to my channel to support my growing channel. So let us now give the verdict for this microphone, Fifine A6T. So for its price, it's very affordable. For £59 it's very affordable as compared to those high-end microphones out there in the market that's costing about £500 and above. But given its £55 price, it is quite flimsy in its build quality. But on the upside, it has a very good quality, which is what we're all after, the sound quality. So remember, if you're a YouTuber, if you're a podcaster, what's really important is actually delivering the message through the sound quality, and next the video, and of course lastly is the way all the video effects. But for its sound quality, I think it's kind of, yeah, it's good. It's quite good. It's a lot better than the MacBook microphone, but the MacBook microphone is really good in its own already. It's just having a dedicated microphone like this one, put it a little bit on a upper notch as compared to the default laptop. So yeah, thank you very much for listening. So this is my verdict for the Fifine A6T. So see you in the next video, guys. So bye for now.